Updating to the latest iPadOS enables new windowing features, allowing seamless multitasking across various apps simultaneously for you. Windowing lets your iPad display multiple app windows together, improving productivity through organized layouts and simplified interactions easily. This guide shows using two apps side by side, rearranging windows, and efficiently optimizing multitasking features within iPadOS. Begin by enabling windowed apps through Control Center or Settings to activate advanced multitasking options on your device. After enabling windowing features, return to your home screen to begin arranging multiple apps for productive multitasking sessions. With one app open full screen, swipe upward slightly to reveal the dock and drag another application beside it. Once both apps appear side by side, seamlessly work between them without switching screens or disrupting your workflow. Replace a displayed app by opening the dock again and dragging a new one onto the existing window. Resize side-by-side windows by adjusting the divider, giving you flexible space to manage content efficiently while multitasking comfortably. Drag items such as photos between apps to quickly transfer content and maintain uninterrupted workflow without switching applications. Make an app full screen by dragging the divider completely across, allowing focused attention on a single active window. Resize full-screen apps using the bottom right handle, enabling flexible adjustments depending on your multitasking needs and screen space. Drag apps from the dock to either side until the arrow appears, snapping them neatly into half-screen view. Tap or drag apps within the dock to reopen them in their previous sizes, restoring preferred workspace arrangements. Move resized windows freely by dragging from the top, letting you position multiple apps conveniently anywhere across screen. Partially hide windows off-screen to create cleaner layouts and maintain quick access while keeping your workspace visually organized. Drag a full-screen app to the center to convert it into a windowed app without losing your progress. Tap window controls to minimize apps, removing them from view, yet keeping them accessible inside the app switcher. Enter Exposé by swiping up and pausing, revealing all active windowed apps arranged clearly for quick navigation use. Swipe right in Exposé to see recently opened apps, enabling seamless transitions between minimized windows and active workspaces. Rearrange window layouts by holding the Window Controls button and selecting configuration options that best support your workflow. Choosing quarters arranges 4 windows into corners, creating an efficient grid layout for balanced multitasking across applications easily. Swipe up to return home, moving open windows off-screen while keeping them active and ready for quick access. Swipe again to minimize all open apps simultaneously, offering a clean workspace before opening new applications for multitasking. Use Slide Over by dragging an app onto the left or right edge, creating a floating window above. A liquid glass border indicates Slide Over mode, showing the window will remain accessible above your working apps. Drag the slide over window from the top to move it, letting it snap left or right instantly. Replace a slide over window by dragging another app over it, seamlessly switching floating applications without closing anything. Slide over stays visible above other apps, allowing continuous access to tools without interrupting ongoing tasks or switching. Resize slide-over windows using the bottom corner handle, customizing floating app sizes based on your workflow needs. Hide slide-over windows by swiping them off-screen, clearing visual space while keeping the app ready for return. Reveal a hidden slide-over window by swiping inward from the screen edge where it was previously moved. Disable slide over by dragging the floating window to the center, converting it back into a standard window mode. Press and hold window controls, then tap Exit Slide Over to restore the app to normal windowed mode. Experiment with windowing features to personalize multitasking, improving productivity through flexible arrangements and smooth transitions between multiple apps. Practice opening, resizing, and moving windows to fully understand how iPadOS enhances multitasking across various everyday workflows smoothly. Use different app combinations to explore windowing flexibility, discovering efficient layouts suited to your personal productivity style needs. Try arranging creative, communication, and productivity apps together to experience seamless multitasking supported by iPadOS windowing features today. Explore how Slide Over enhances quick access to tools, letting you reference apps rapidly without replacing active windows. Use Slide Over for messaging, notes, or quick tasks while maintaining larger workspace areas for more focused activities. Combine Split View and Slide Over to maximize multitasking potential, enabling complex workflows across multiple overlapping windows easily. Experiment with dragging content between apps to understand how iPadOS simplifies creative processes and enhances overall productivity flow. Use Exposé frequently to maintain awareness of open windows, helping you navigate complex multitasking environments effortlessly and smoothly. Adjust window sizes regularly to optimize readability, ensuring each app displays essential information clearly while multitasking across tasks. Organize apps intentionally to create efficient workspaces, improving focus and reducing clutter while navigating multiple tasks simultaneously smoothly. Use corner arrangements for balanced multitasking, allowing equal space distribution among 4 apps when managing diverse responsibilities easily. Switch between minimized windows and active windows to maintain workflow continuity, ensuring efficient transitions without losing important context anywhere. Use Slide Over gestures confidently to manage floating tools, enhancing speed and precision during complex multitasking sessions easily. Practice snapping windows to sides or corners to develop intuitive control over layout management within iPadOS for efficiency. Master windowing tools to experience smoother workflows, empowering you to work creatively and efficiently across multiple apps today.